Welcome back, dolls. It's your favorite 25-year-old fashion influencer, RJ, and today we're diving deep into the world of fabulous makeup. Get ready for some serious glam, because these 2 to 3 minute scripts are packed with humor, pop culture references, and fun connections to the overall series. Let's do this. Hey, babes. You know, ever since that Gilded Age show took over our feeds, I've been seeing all sorts of over-the-top, glitzy makeup looks. But first, here's the backstory. The period ran from 1870 to 1900, and while Bridgerton vibes have been linked to the era, that show is actually set in a slightly different time. Makeup back then wasn't quite so accessible or encouraged. In fact, some sources say it was frowned upon for women. However, that doesn't mean makeup was off the table. Those who did wear it would go for stained rouge and pinks on the cheeks and lips. Skin was clear and subtle, with powder being used, and eye makeup was rarer, though sometimes could be used to create a gentle brown hue. Well, hold on to your pearls, because I'm about to show you how to channel your inner Vanderbilt with this killer gilded eye look, using the Charlotte Tilbury Luxury palette in The Uptown Girl. Prime your lids, kick things off with a swipe of eyeshadow primer to give your lids a flawless, velvety base. It's like insurance for your eye makeup, keeping it bold, vibrant, and totally crease-free from day to night. Apply the prime shade, grab a fluffy eyeshadow brush and dust that gorgeous prime shade all over your eyelid, all the way up to your brow bone. It's the ultimate glow-up for your eyes, giving them a dreamy, lit-from-within vibe. Now, don't be stingy with that Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm all-over Diamond Veil highlighter, darling. We want to be seen from space. Seriously, I'm talking blinding levels of shine here. Add the enhanced shade. Take a blending brush and work that enhanced shade into your crease, windshield wiper style. Blend it out like a pro to get that flawless, smooth transition, because we're all about that seamless, Insta-worthy depth. Lightly sweep this shade along the lower lash line to tie the look together and create a subtle, smoky effect. Layer the smoke shade now. For the drama, babe. Pack that smoke shade onto the outer corner of your lid and blend it into the crease for that smoldering, smoky vibe. Think full-on Gilded Age glam, sultry and totally luxe. Amp up the glam with the pop shade time to bring on the bling. Use your finger or a damp brush to press that pop shade right onto the center of your lid. It'll give you a killer, gilded sparkle, like your eyes are dripping in vintage heirloom jewels. It's like, hello, I'm rich, I'm fabulous, and I'm not going anywhere. And if you thought the Gilded Age was extra, just wait until you see what I do with these Huda Beauty Scarlet lashes. Eyeliner and mascara. Top it all off with a swipe of classic black or deep charcoal eyeliner. Draw a sharp line along your upper lash line and flick it out for that perfect wing. Think timeless, polished, and totally fierce. Ooh yes, work it, RJ. Now I know what you're thinking. RJ, how do I make sure this look lasts all night? Well, fear not, my darlings, because we're going to set it all in place with a heavy dose of the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. Perfect the rest of your face. Complete the vibe with a flawless, glowy base and a soft, nude lip to keep all eyes on your stunning eye look. Pop some rose or champagne highlighter on your cheekbones for that extra Gilded Age glow, because a little shimmer never hurt anyone. There, now you'll be shining brighter than a freshly polished chandelier. Subscribe for more glam tips and tricks to make you sparkle.